Feiyu Pocket 2S was introduced with the new detachable lens and enabled more creative ways to wear it. Because of the restriction of control cable, it was not perfect. Today, we present you the brand new upgraded Feiyu Pocket 3, without limits. Instead of connecting with cord, the new design can be attached or mounted in new ways you can imagine. The weight is no longer a setback. You just wear it and go. The 3-axis stabilization from Feiyu Tech is the core of smooth filmmaking. Unlike the digital cropping, Feiyu Pocket 3 physically stabilizes the camera and gives you reliable and realistic footage, so you never miss a breathtaking moment. You can control and monitor the camera with the handle. Without the cord, packing is never so easy. Feiyu Pocket 3 is your best gear for day-to-day captures, time-lapse, panoramas, no problem. When in need, combine the handle and the gimbal for better handheld experience. With the matching extension rod, more possibility is in your hand. Feiyu Pocket 3, a good camera, but a better combination for all the creators out there. We enable, you create, with the Feiyu Tech.